since you left me. Got to know all your insides and out. You've been hiding your lies since you met me. Think that I can figure out. Were you only pretending? Down on my knees, I'm begging. Look at all that you've stolen. Heart so cold, I'm frozen. How do I stay unbroken? I don't know how you could even say that you miss me, that you miss me. I don't know why you'd run away, leaving without me, leaving without me. Were you only pretending? Down on my knees, I'm begging. Look at all that you've stolen. Heart so cold, I'm frozen. How do I stay unbroken? I'm wearing my bruises, holding on to a lifeline. Why do you think that it's okay to keep on hurting me? I'm sick of your reasons, I'm tired of feeling. Why do you think that it's okay to keep on hurting me? Get all that you've stolen. Heart so cold, I'm frozen. How do I stay unbroken? Whispered promises straight to my heart. I'd never noticed, but you were never there, you were never there. Hey, you gave me roses, set me apart. All I feel was bliss, but you were never there, you were never there. I want us to be what we used to be this night. Baby, just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way that it's never going there. I think it better and I swear I'll follow you no matter where. Think it better and I swear follow you no matter where. Think it better and I swear follow you no matter where. Down in empty streets, looking for joy. I don't wanna admit I'm better on my own, better on my own. You say we're not meant for each other. I'm not sure of this. I won't give up on this, I won't give up. Cause I don't wanna be, hey, like the one to flee, like the one to leave. I'll never surrender, but ever remember my lover. Did you give up on me? Have you never learned to listen? Sorry, I will never be, even in your dreams, the one you wanna see. Think it better go someplace I don't know, cause I got your picture on my mind. I want us to be what we used to be this night. Baby, just another fight, but you don't wanna see me cry. There is no way that it's never going there. I think it better I swear I'll follow you no matter where. Think it better when I swear. Follow you no matter where. Think it better when I swear. Follow you no matter where.
The night has come, it's cold and losing my control. Your light is gone, and lonely darkness fill my soul. I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated. Let's stop this conversation. Let's stop this conversation. We got no relation.
But the path takes us through the deepest part of the jungle. Do you trust me?
Of course! Wait, why would I not?
Then follow the road. I will guide you from the air. And pray the weather holds. Is it just me? Or does that sky look glorious? Welcome to Teotihuacan! We are slightly too late for this festival, I'm afraid. The name means Place of the Roads of the Gods. Going left here. Looks like we've got the Storm God's attention.
Rami, are you sure?
Fear, my friend. The Maya know that too well. It is said that Jack straight's lining at the clouds and rain will fall.
And you're doing okay up there?
Don't worry, I am still in complete control. Actually, I am not in complete control. You know what? Let's not fly directly into that storm. Horizon Bravo 9er, I'm putting down in the jungle. Me a taxi?
The festival comes and goes every year. This has been here for thousands of years. I think I found just the place for that radio beacon. Wow! I think I found the golden statue. Let me just get a picture of this.
What else is new?
Shouldn't be out here with a bad influence spinster like me. It's gonna be exhausted.
I know.
Ah, my knee is so sore. Why is that? I fell over because a homeless woman suddenly jumped up right in front of me. She was hiding in a hole with cardboard covering her. I nearly stepped my foot. Wow! So I was late. My knee was like that. But she started yelling something about me screaming. What's that about? How is it? I'm gonna be rich. Get the hell out of here. I will say that I can make a lot of
Get out of the street! Because whether you should be at home anyway! Hey, Spider-Man! I love you, man!
Happy holidays, Spider-Man. Have a good one. Stay back! I listen to James's podcast. Folks are so nice during the holidays.
Continue up that way.
You think it's John?
You tell me. These are horse tracks for sure, but could be anyone. Let's just see where they lead.
So, you were there, Javier. What really happened on that boat?
We had the money, it seemed fine. Then suddenly they were everywhere.
Bounty hunters?
No, Pinkertons. It was crazy. Raining bullets. Take it slow. Big ravine here. Ah. Careful, it's getting narrow here.
Come on, boy. Horses are struggling.
Yeah, a lot of fresh snow here.
I don't know about this, Javier. I mean, we can't follow nothing.
Let's push on a little bit. Maybe we'll pick up the trail again.
Almost there, boy. Come on now. Yep.
John was riding that horse when we left Blackwater. Let's see if he can hear us. Come on, up there. Ha! It's coming from up ahead somewhere. I don't think we can go much further on the horses. We'll have to walk from here.
Worth losing a hair over.
It's a wonderful thing to have in the village. Hopefully, we're very fortunate.
I wouldn't mind a job at that. I would use this. Always been good at
Those that go to Azkaban never had a chance in the first place. You need to pursue anything.
With brain. That's what the teachers would say.
Like a baby is a good thing.
The Nora tribe watches these lands and keeps out the most dangerous machines. Usually. Further downriver, we'll find a herd of machines, and I will teach you how to hunt.
Are they dangerous?
All machines are dangerous, Aloy. Their power must be respected. Move, the quieter you'll be. And crouched walking is quieter than upright. Wait for it. That's the last of them. Let's move on. You did well. They didn't see or hear you. There. See them? These are called Striders. Ha! Get!
Why'd you chase them off?
To show you how some machines startle easily if they detect you and run away. They're best approached by stealth. Don't worry. We'll catch up with them further down the valley.
Hello there.
Hello. I better throw this.
See that scientist out in front of mast, staring at trees, sounds upset?
Whatever it is, it can't be that bad, right? Nice day now.
Yeah. This way.
What did you find?
Tracks. Not deer, though. I'll keep looking. Gonna see what's up ahead.
More tracks?
Yeah, but they're too round. Could be a wild boar.
Good.
Oh! Now what?
This way, boy.
Hup!
Slow down, boy.
Sorry.
You are hunting deer, not chasing it.
Yes, Father. He broke our bridge. How are we gonna get across?
Step aside.
Wow.
Go.
Oh. What happened here? There it is!
Hold!